What's up, guys? It's your boy Vusimax coming at you live from the Supreme HQ, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different because I'm only here to talk to you guys about something that's been bothering me for quite some time, but I just didn't put thought into it. It was just kind of there, but I didn't really pay much attention to it. It was just what I've been observing from my surroundings, from my perspective, right? I want to talk to you guys about the NAS100 and the volatility index. So I want to keep it 100% real with you guys. This is the raw, uncut truth. Nobody is willing to tell you guys, right? So let's get right into it. If you've been a follower of the channel, you saw and you know that I do trade the NAS100 every now and then, right? And if you follow the channel, you also saw that I did an analysis on that twice or something like that. And every time we did the analysis on NAS100, it did follow through, and there were opportunities to make money off of that, right? So here's my problem with the I'm gonna talk about the NAS100 and the VIX, the volatility index, right? So here's the thing, guys. What I'm seeing, a lot of what I'm seeing, or the only time I'm seeing the NAS100 and the VIX, or the volatility index, is when people are basically posting these results and trying to make it seem as if you can start trading the VIX. Let's call it the VIX for the sake of the video. So I'm seeing people making it seem like you can just go to the VIX or go to the NAS100 and take money, go into the NAS100 and the VIX right now and just make money and just consistently make money every single day, and this ATM mentality of the market, right? So I started to think, when did traders, when did we lose respect to the market, or when did we lose respect for the market to the point where now it's at to a point where now people have a mentality that you can literally just take money from the market, right? So what I'm seeing also is you guys are pedestalizing these markets, right? I'm always telling people that I don't have any favorite currency pair or anything like that. I just wanna go where the money is at. But you'll see these people chasing. I'm constantly seeing traders chasing a market that isn't even trending at the at that moment when they're busy trying to make money off of it and stuff like that with the NAS100 and the VIX, right? You guys are focusing only on the indices, and you're not basically still going to the currencies and stuff like that, because to you it kind of seems like the currencies are slow and stuff like that, which I don't even get. Guys, first of all, most of the people that you see on these indices are people who are at beginner level, to say the most, right? So you see, so that's the first thing. You see, you get these people who are at the beginner level trying to claim that you can they're trying to claim that you can be an overnight success by trading this indices, right? Second part is you have these brokers now giving real account checks on demo accounts. So now that these people are pushing an agenda that basically you can just make a ridiculous crazy amount using a ridiculously low lot size. And third thing is you have people who are now trying to jump onto this bandwagon without an understanding of what's exactly going on into this thing, right? First of all, the volatility on these indices is ridiculous, right? So you emotional traders are going in there with zero experience in the market, with zero market awareness, and you're trying to trade these highly volatile indices or highly volatile markets with little to no money in your trading accounts. You're trying to make $1,000. First off, you're trying to make $1,000 off a $5 account, right? Second, you have these demo traders showing you oh man, this shit is gonna be all over the place. Oh guys, all right guys, this video, you can already tell, it's gonna be all over the place, because as I'm talking about these things, I'm actually getting heated because it doesn't make sense to me. All right, so let's go back to what I was saying. If you're a forex trader and you find yourself not paying attention to the currency pairs because of this NAS100 and volatility indexes, then automatically you should know that there's something wrong with your trading process now, or the mindset that you have towards trading, because you're leaning into something that's promising you because you're leaning into something that's promising you a lot of potential gains in a relatively short amount of time. The reason why these things are everywhere is only because it promises, or it gives people a sense of hope that you're going to make a ridiculous amount of money in a relatively short amount of time. If you ask me how many traders I know that blew their accounts trading these indices, it's more than I can count with my fingers, right? And at the same time, I have traded all these. I haven't traded the volatility index, I meant to say, but I've traded the NAS100, right? And the only reason I haven't traded the volatility index is after I saw everybody basically try to make this kind of markets a trend, right? So if you've been a trader, or if you have any trading experience, you know that when a flock of people, or when a group of people are flocking to the same place, that's when you should basically try your best to protect your money. But you people are having the opposite of that mindset. You guys are like basically following the crowd and going with what seems to be working, or what looks to be working. So this is a warning from me to you, to tell you that you cannot be an overnight success in these markets. And I know the only reason that you're paying more attention to the indices than in the currency pairs and the commodities and the metals and stuff like that, it's only because you want to make a ridiculous amount of money in a relatively short amount of time. So I'm just here to give you a warning and tell you that you should be careful, because if you continue to be on this road that you're on, you are going to crash and you're going to burn, and it's going to be so painful. And you're gonna remember what I just said in this video. Peace out.